Travelling with Etihad Airways offers a distinctive blend of comfort and luxury. Passengers are greeted by attentive staff dedicated to making each journey memorable. The spacious seating and thoughtfully designed cabins ensure a relaxing environment, whether you're flying short or long haul. Onboard amenities include a diverse selection of gourmet meals, entertainment options, and personal care kits, all tailored to enhance your experience. Etihad's commitment to service is evident in every detail, from the quality of the in-flight entertainment to the personalized attention provided throughout the flight. This unique approach to air travel sets Etihad Airways apart, making each trip enjoyable and stress-free. Etihad Airways offers a comprehensive travel experience from the moment you check in until you reach your destination. Passengers can enjoy a wide selection of in-flight entertainment, including movies, TV shows, music and games, all accessible through personal screens. Dining on board features a variety of meal options, catering to different tastes and dietary requirements, with menus inspired by international cuisine. The airline's attentive cabin crew ensures comfort throughout the journey, providing amenities and assistance as needed. From streamlined check-in procedures to efficient baggage handling, Etihad strives to make every stage of your trip smooth and enjoyable. Upon arrival, passengers benefit from clear guidance and support, making the transition from flight to final destination seamless.